There are a lot of guitar tuners to choose from these days, and it's easy to take tuners for granted. However, like any piece of gear, you should put some thought into choosing the right product that will best suit your needs. In this article is going to walk you through what to look for in a guitar tuner, and then review the 5 best guitar tuners for acoustic guitars in the different tuner categories. Here are the 5 best tuners for acoustic guitars that we'll be covering. Number 1. kliq Uber Tuner. Fast and accurate, spend more time playing and less time tuning. The Uber Tuner's advanced microprocessor and highly sensitive piezo sensor will ensure your instrument is accurately tuned in a flash. Super bright display. The large color display allows you to easily see if you're flat, sharp, or dead on from any angle. With 3 points of adjustment, you can position the screen in any way you like. Easy to use, turn it on, clip it on, and you're ready to tune. Since the tuner detects the pitches directly from your instrument's vibrations, ambient room noise will never get in the way. Reliable, with a strong and durable design, this tuner was built to last. From light use by the music hobbyist to heavy abuse by the touring road warrior, the Uber Tuner will get you in tune every time. 3-year manufacturer guarantee. In the unlikely event the kliq Uber Tuner stops working, we'll replace it or give you 100% of your money back, no questions asked. Number 2. Fender FT2. Convenient and unobtrusive, the FT2 multifunction clip-on tuner helps ensure your instrument is always in tune, even on dark stages. It handles noisy environments with ease thanks to its built-in vibration sensor. The color LCD display's easy-to-read needle indicates how close to pitch each note is, and moves to the center of the display once the note is in tune. The FT2's dual-hinge design allows you to mount the tuner on either side of your instrument's headstock. Number 3. DAddario Guitar Tuner. Enjoy effortless and inconspicuous tuning in the studio or on stage with the DAddario accessories, formerly Planet Waves, NS Micro clip-on tuner for acoustic and electric guitars, basses, mandolins, banjos and other stringed instruments. The lightweight, discreet, highly compact tuner hides behind the headstock, practically blending into the instrument, and is small enough to be kept on your instrument while stored in its case. At 1.25 inch, your audience will never know it's there, and you will want one for every instrument you own. The NS Micro features an extremely accurate piezo transducer that picks up an instrument's vibration rather than sound. Number 4. So their rechargeable clip. Don't get stuck looking for a hard-to-find coin battery to fix your tuner ever again. With the So their rechargeable clip-on tuner, all you need to do is grab the included USB cable, find a power port, and in minutes you'll be ready to go. Even better, each charge provides over 5 hours of operation and automatically turns off when not in use. The bright, easy-to-read display, fast response and 5 tuning modes makes tuning nearly any acoustic or electric stringed instrument a snap. Number 5. Joyo Guitar Tuner. Directly sold by manufacturer of Joyo Technology Company, Ltd., which established in 2006. Environmentally friendly ABS plastic applications, no inferior materials. FCC and CE certification, lead-free certification. Highly sensitive tuner, metronome beat mode, ideal for noisy environments, suitable for music teachers, professional and junior players. Variety of tuning. 6C standard pitch bass and string instruments, guitar, bass, ukulele, violin, tuning range, OA, 27.5 Hz, -8C, 4186.01 Hz. Easy to read and operate, clear LCD digital display, easy to read, automatically shut down if not operated, automatic shutdown within 5 minutes. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned.